Rain, it's raining, rain, it's raining, rain, it's raining outside. Rain, it's raining, rain, it's raining, rain, it's raining outside. I can hear it raining outside. I can hear it raining outside. It's raining. I can hear it raining outside. It's raining. I can hear it raining outside. Rain, it's raining. Rain, it's raining. Rain, it's raining outside. Rain, it's raining. Rain, it's raining. Rain, it's raining outside. I can hear it raining outside. I can hear it raining outside. It's raining. I can hear it raining outside. It's raining. I can hear it raining outside. Rain, it's raining. Rain, it's raining. Rain, it's raining outside. Good afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome to today's science lesson. Today we are going to continue discussing sound. As we open with the video, I hope you remember the different sound that rain makes as it hit different objects, whether it's a path or a bench or the ground. Let's review. Sound allows us to hear. Sound is a vibration that travels through the air. When the vibration reaches our ear, we can hear. Remember the different objects that we identified last week, boys and girls, that make sound, from our alarm clocks, to a cell phone, to a bell ringing, to drums playing, to musical instruments such as a guitar, and your TV or entertainment system. Today we have a story titled Sound. Enjoy. The speed of sound. You watch the swimmers step onto their starting blocks. Then get ready, get set, beep! They take off. You hear the splash, splash, as they dive in. The crowd cheers. Woo! Go team, go! Sound can quickly set things into motion. What is sound? Sounds are vibrations that touch our ears so we can hear. Sounds travel in waves called sound waves. Sound waves form when something vibrates. They are made up of energy. Sound needs a medium to travel through. Mediums can be air, water, or solid objects such as doors or walls. Case in point, knocking on the door. Sound travels fastest through solids and slowest through gases. Hearing. We hear things when sound waves reach our ears. Inside each ear is a thin layer of skin called an eardrum. It vibrates when a sound wave touches it. Our ears send signals to our brains so we can understand what we hear. And look at the diagram, boys and girls. You see the sound wave is entering our ear. You see the outer ear, and you see a picture of the eardrum and the nerve leading to your brain. Volume and pitch. A sound wave's amplitude makes a sound loud or soft. This is volume. Sound waves with big amplitudes carry more energy. This makes sounds louder because they push harder on our eardrums. Small amplitudes make quieter sounds. Sounds have different frequencies based on the speed of vibration. The frequency makes the sound's pitch. Higher frequencies make high pitched sounds. Ah. Lower frequencies make low pitched sounds. Some pitches are high or low for the human ear to hear. Echoes and echolocation. Sometimes sound waves hit something and bounce back. This reflection of sound is an echo, echo, echo. Sound bounces off of hard, smooth surfaces best. Softer surfaces soak up the sound's energy so it cannot travel any further or bounce back. Some animals use sound to hunt and move around safely. This is called echolocation. Bats, dolphins, and some whales echolocate. Animals that echolocate throw out sound and listen. The echo tells them how far away food and other objects are. Musical sounds. Instruments are made of many materials, including wood, brass, and strings. These materials all vibrate differently when they are played. They create different sounds that work together to make music. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. And remember, boys and girls, the different terms that we use or was introduced within the story: amplitude, eardrum, echo, echolocation, energy, frequencies, medium, pitch, reflection, signals, sound waves, and vibrations. Tomorrow, boys and girls, Tuesday, January 12th, 2021, you will have an exit ticket on part one and part two of your sound science lessons. This exit ticket will be due Friday, January 15th, 2021 by 11:59 p.m. All right, boys and girls, have a great rest of the week. And remember, listen out for the different sounds that you hear. Take care. Bye bye.